Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Brave web browser on your MacBook. Either you are using a PC or MacBook, that doesn't matter. So you have to follow the instructions only. First of all, you have to open the default web browser of your system. If you are using a Mac operating system, then you can open Safari web browser. And after that, normally you have to search on the search bar Brave browser download for Mac. And now you will see an interface like this. Normally click on it and then click on this Get Brave button. Click on this Allow button. And now if we check our download section, you will see that the file is downloading. Wait a few seconds until it is completely downloaded. So here you can see that the file has been downloaded. Now double click on it to open the file. And now you will see a pop-up window like this. Normally hold the Brave browser icon into the applications folder, and it is going to install this browser on your MacBook. And after installing the program, double click on it to open it, and it will ask for a permission since you have downloaded it from the internet. Click on this open button. And now your web browser is ready to go. That's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.